America is turning 250. Once in a generation, something changes everything. What once took decades now happens in years, and every breakthrough shares something in common. They run on energy. In the next 10 years, driven by AI infrastructure and electrification, U.S. electricity demand will grow more than it did in the previous 3 decades combined. Meeting this moment requires more than just electrons. It requires innovation, integrated solutions, and the best people working together. For 45 years, AES has powered the businesses, communities, and everyday moments that matter most. Let's accelerate the future of energy together.